I feel blessed that all of the money that I desire is now flowing into my life. I am ready to receive huge sums of money. I love thinking abundant thoughts and fantasizing about all of the wonderful things that I am going to buy. My thoughts are motivating money magnets that cause more and more money to show up in my life. I feel worthy of my increasing wealth. I enjoy discovering new, exciting, positive ways of making even more money. Making money is easy and natural for me. I am financially free. My passive income easily covers all of my expenses. I use my increasing wealth in positive ways to enrich my life and the lives of others. Each morning, as soon as I wake up, the very first thing that I do is visualize my abundant life, and I smile as I imagine all the wonderful things that I can do with my increasing wealth. I am increasingly aware of the abundance that is all around me, and my growing sense of gratitude makes me feel blessed.